Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're talking about an incredible spice that's packed with flavor and health benefits, cloves. You've probably seen cloves in curries, spiced meats, or even holiday desserts, but did you know that these tiny pods are loaded with powerful nutrients that can boost your health? Before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more natural health tips. What are cloves? Cloves are a fragrant spice made from the dried flower buds of the clove tree. You can use them whole or ground in your recipes. Common ways to use cloves. In spice mixes like Chinese five-spice. In curries and seasoned meats. In baking and desserts. As a natural remedy for health benefits. But cloves aren't just about flavor, they're packed with powerful nutrients that your body needs. Nutrients in cloves and their benefits. Let's talk about what makes cloves such a nutritional powerhouse. Cloves contain manganese, supports bone health and helps make hormones. Potassium, helps with muscle and heart function. Beta-carotene, converts to vitamin A, boosting your eye health. Vitamin K, supports blood clotting and bone strength. Eugenol is the secret weapon for pain relief and inflammation. Cloves for inflammation and pain relief. Did you know that chronic inflammation can lead to arthritis, heart disease, and more? The good news? Cloves can help fight inflammation. Eugenol, found in cloves, helps reduce your body's inflammatory response and may help ease conditions like arthritis. How to use cloves for inflammation? Add ground cloves to soups, stews, or smoothies. Make a clove-infused tea. Use clove oil, diluted, for muscle relief. Cloves for toothaches, a natural painkiller. If you got a toothache, you might not need a painkiller. Research shows that eugenol in cloves affects pain signals in nerve cells, providing relief from tooth pain. How to use cloves for a toothache? Place a few whole cloves in your mouth. Moisten them with saliva. Gently crush the cloves with your teeth to release the oil. Keep it in place for 30 minutes, then replace it with a new clove. You can also apply diluted clove oil directly to the affected area. Cloves for digestion and stomach ulcers. Struggling with stomach ulcers or digestive issues, cloves might be the natural remedy you need. Studies show that clove oil increases gastric mucus, protecting the stomach lining from acid damage. Benefits of cloves for digestion. Reduce stomach ulcers. Can improve digestion and prevent bloating. Contains fiber that supports gut health. How to use cloves for digestion. Brew clove tea for a soothing drink. Add a pinch of ground cloves to warm water before meals. Cloves aren't just a kitchen spice, they're a natural powerhouse for your health. Before you go, don't forget. Like this video if you learned something new. Subscribe for more health tips. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching.